Welcome everybody. We got a 5-minute ab workout here. Okay, we're gonna do 5 moves, 1 minute long for each move. No equipment is fun, but we will be on the ground, so if you need a mat or if you have carpet, that's cool. And if you need extra, just repeat this workout. Alright, here we go. Let's start on our back. We got straight leg wood chopper crunch. So we're gonna lay down. Feet straight up, nice and easy. You can bend those knees if you need to. Hands above. Opening up those knees. Close them as you come back down, okay? Exhaling that breath every time you lift. Engage those abs as much as you can. Getting those hands all the way back. Straight legs as much as you can. Again, you can have a little bit more bend in those knees if you need to. Right here. Good. Nice job, everybody. Nice job. Keep those legs up. Engage those abs. Feel that midsection squeeze as you lift. Reaching those hands between those knees, opening and closing them. Good. Nice job. Nice job. Nice job. Couple more. And relax. Take it down. We're gonna extend our legs down, hands behind our head. We're going into a double knee crunch here. Feet together, knees come in, elbows come in, right there. And come back down. Shoulders off. Again, engage those abs. Exhaling that breath. Do not pull on the head or the neck. Both knees in, both legs out. Great work. Keep it going. You got it, everybody. You got this. Abs are burning. Challenging that body here. And if you need a little break, rest in between any of these exercises, you may do so. That's okay. Good. Keep it going. Couple more. One more. Relax. Legs out. Hands by your side or behind that lower back. Flutter kick leg lifts here, okay? So we're going to keep our legs straight. We're just going to flutter kick them. Small kicks. Straight legs. Raising them up and lowering them down. Again, hands by your side or behind that lower back. If you need a little bit extra support, keep those legs moving. Small kicks. Raising it and lowering them. Exhaling that breath every time you come on up. Nice job. Working those lower abs here. Straight legs, straight legs. Kick from the hip, not from the knees. So again, don't bend those knees as you kick in, okay? Keep it going. Couple more here, couple more. Last one. And then relax. Take a breather. Feet in towards your hips, towards your bottom. Coming up, we're gonna come up. Double jabs, sit-ups, coming down. Again, the further your feet are away from your heels, or the further your heels are away from your bottom, easier will be for you. So you find that sweet spot. Okay? 2 jabs each. Coming up. Exhale that breath. Engage those abs. Try and keep those feet as flat against that ground as you can. Those heels down. Last move after this, everybody. You got this. 5 minutes straight of abs. Nice work. Keep it going, alright? Keep it going, keep it going. Last one. We're gonna stay up. We're gonna stay up here. We're gonna extend those legs. Hands behind. And we're just gonna go right into our last leg lifts here. You can bend those knees if you need to. Feet together though. Exhaling every time you lift and lower. Hands behind your back, working that support. Breathe in, challenging that body. Challenge those abs. Challenge that mind physically, mentally. It's a workout for you. Couple more here, couple more. Nice job. Almost there. Nice work today, everybody. Final ones. Good. And relax. Nice job, everybody. Nice job. Take a breather. Gonna roll it onto your stomach here. We're gonna open up those abs, stretch them out, hips down, chest down. Coming on up right into a cobra pose here. Breathe in. Come back down. Take a breath. Come back up. Can we get a little higher? Push those hips to that mat, to that ground. Chin up. And down. One more time. We're gonna come back up. This time we're gonna turn to the left side. Turn to the right side. And back at center. Sit it down. Hit a child's pose for me. Big toes together, knees apart, hips back, hands forward, and relax and breathe. Alright, take it back on up. Go ahead and face me. Sit however you want on your mat. Nice inhale in. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. One more time. Inhale up. Exhale down. Again, if you like this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button below. And until next time, remember, stay fit, stay flexed, and I will see you in that next workout.